Hey guys, here's a quick install video on my 3D printed mud flaps. The tools you'll need are a hammer, screwdriver, and a small nail. You'll want to turn your wheels to have more space. Take the small nail and punch out the stem from the bottom rivet. Remove the old rivet. Place the top side of the mud flap behind the fender liner. Take the supplied plastic rivet, remove the stem. Place the new rivet in, take your hammer and tap the stem into place. I designed these mud flaps to have some adjustability. You can have it stick out or tuck in, your choice. Once you're satisfied, take the self-tapping screw in your screwdriver. I recommend placing it towards the bottom to avoid flapping at high speeds. It'll take a bit of force to dig the self-tapping screw in. Hand tight should hold just fine. And you're done. Just repeat these steps for the other side and you're good to go. Again, I designed these to be minimal yet effective, but there's always room to improve. Any feedback is appreciated.